Everyone, we begin tonight with a big development in the high-profile Vanderbilt rape case.
This shakeup comes just 2 weeks before the trial is set to begin. News Channel 5's Nick Barris is here with this exclusive story, and now the trial may not even happen.
This was highly anticipated for more than a year now, and no, it's not going to happen, at least not on August 11th. Tonight, I've learned a motion has been filed asking for a continuance. It's been more than a year now since police say a Vanderbilt co-ed was raped inside this on-campus dorm. Brandon Vandenberg and 3 other former football players were charged in the case.
I'm innocent, and I'm going to fight that to the very end.
The trial is set to begin August 11th, but
the defense will need additional time in which to prepare for trial.
News Channel 5 has learned attorneys for Vandenberg have filed a motion asking for a delay to the start of the trial. Why would they request that the judge grant a continuance? The reasons may include the time spent arguing legal challenges, which tried to get California attorney Albert Perez kicked off the defense team. They say that took away valuable preparation time. The desire to separate Vandenberg from the other defendants so he stands trial alone. And the argument that Vandenberg's attorneys are still receiving discovery evidence from the prosecution. They say they can't prepare for trial without it.
In that discovery, you might learn about additional witnesses. You might discern that there is a need for an expert in your particular defense. So, having a full amount of time to review the discovery really aids you in the preparation of your defense.
News Channel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo believes lead prosecutor Tom Thurman likely won't object to the motion for a continuance. Keep in mind, this high-profile trial comes at a time of transition in the DA's office, with Tory Johnson leaving to be replaced by new district attorney Glenn Funk on September 1st.
It's very common in a criminal case that has a felony charge involved in multiple co-defendants and multiple charges for a case to be continued, if not once, at least 2 or 3 times.
Now, the truth is everyone expected a continuance, but no one asked for it until now. Judge Monty Watkins will hear this motion on Friday, and if he grants it in this case, well, it may not go to trial until sometime next year, Vicki.
And all 4 suspects remain on bond.
That's right. While they're waiting, all of them remain free while awaiting trial. The 4 are expected to be in court this Friday for the hearing unless the judge grants them a waiver. Of course, we will be there too.
All right. Thanks, Nick. Now, Brandon Vandenberg is scheduled to go to trial with co-defendant Corey Beatty, but we've learned attorneys will soon file a motion asking for separate trials. The other 2 defendants are said to be cooperating with prosecutors.